welcome to .NETMaster. Guys, today I am going to be explain about the, we started at the .NETMaster new program that is called internship opportunity. Okay. So guys, this is, that internship plays a vital role in, placements. Internship, so many students, they came from, they come from the, academic background. They don't know about exactly the, how the real-time project, So that's the reason this internship plays a vital role to crack a job in good company. Okay. Internship is, see, this is the online internship. Okay. And course, this internship duration is also very less. Okay. Very less. You join this internship program, you are going to be get the very, very benefits. Okay, I'm going to be tell you each and everything what you are going to be get in this if you join after the joining this internship. Okay. And the price, the good thing about this internship price is everybody can join. It's very, I'm taking very minimal price, and with minimal price I'm providing the quality kind of, training, quality kind of trainings. With low budget I'm providing the lot of, good for, see, the my intention about, this internship program is students get maximum, placements. That's only the internship. See, so many students have seen the, they cannot, purchase 20,000, 30,000, they cannot take the course. For them, this is the very best opportunity for them. Pay very limited amount and get maximum benefits. Okay. So let's talk about, what you are going to be get if you pay the, actual price about the, internship program is 5,000. But further I'm giving the good discount. Further I'm giving the good discount. Okay. What are the discount, actual price is 5,000. I am giving for this, for these things for only for 199, guys. Okay, this is, offer price, so don't miss this opportunity, guys. It's a very good price I'm providing you for this, internship. And next thing is, so fees is 9, you pay just only 199 rupees. Okay. And now come to the what exactly this internship program is. I'm going to be tell you, it's a actually 30 days program. 30 days program. Okay. So in this, you are going to be, work on the one real-time project. Okay. So skills, C sharp, SQL server, skills are C sharp, SQL server, and WinForm. And next thing, uh, OPS concepts, OPS concepts, OPS concepts, and ADO.NET. Okay. So these all the skills you are going to be, learn. Okay, see, and you are going to be work on the project on these skills only. Okay, by using these skills, you are going to be develop the projects, real-time project. I'm going to be explain you the project. You are by using this, skills, you are going to be develop the real-time projects. Okay. So now next point. See, in 30 days, I cannot teach you the entire, skills. I am going to be teach you in that skills what exactly needed for the project. Okay. So guys, you will get the very good amount of, knowledge in these skills. So nothing to be worry about it. And you are going to be get the good idea about the, how to crack the jobs. That's the most important. If you put these all the skills in your resume, and if you apply for the job, there is a good chances to get a, jobs. That's what the, and next thing is, I'm going to be help you out in the resume. Okay, and also I'm going to be help you out in the LinkedIn profile, how to, optimize your LinkedIn profile. And also I'm going to be help you out in the third thing is, I'm going to be, appreciations, course, internship, I'm going to be provide the certificate for the internship completion certificate. And next thing is project completion certificate. Okay, completion certificate. Okay. So these things I'm going to be give you the and also you are going to be tagged in the post about the LinkedIn and no LinkedIn and Instagram, so that recruiters come to know, yes, this person has done the internship in this .NET Master. Okay. So guys, so these are all these benefits you are going to be getting. And also I'm going to be explain you how to crack a job. One session I'm going to be explain you, I'm going to be give the detailed idea about how to crack a job, how to apply the job, how to crack a job, lots of things are there student don't know, I'm going to be help you, how to crack a job. Okay. So guys, these are all these things you are going to be get in this 1999 only. Okay. So if any this is a golden choice, guys. See guys, I'm not going to be earn nothing in 1999. So this is the career turning point for your career, guys. So don't think about the money. See, I am designed this internship program only one purpose: students get the placements. That's only. See, if you get a placements by using that success stories only, I can you know i can I can tell to my new joiners, to students, yes, this I have the success stories. By using this only I can get them in my actual courses. Okay. So if anybody is interested, please start doing the registration. This is a trusted one, so don't worry about the 199 rupees. Focus on your career, and this is the best opportunity for the academic, the student. I'm going to be tell you, if you are a BTech student, okay, BCA student and MCA students, BTech student, BCA student, MCA students, anybody students are there. Okay. And pass out like 2023, 2024, 25. So these all the students they can apply. Okay. So if anybody is interested, just message me. I'm going to be help you out. Okay. So thank you guys. That's it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, just please message me in LinkedIn and Instagram. So if you have any questions about about this internship program, let's discuss about the one-to-one. So I'm going to be detail explain to you what exactly you are going to be, guys. My suggestion is freshers, especially who is going to be passed out in 24, 25, 23. Please don't miss this kind of opportunity. Just 199, you are going to be get a lot of things. Okay. So guys, this is the 30 days program. So 199, it's a very good opportunity. If anybody is interested, please message me in Instagram and LinkedIn. Thank you very much.